1. Dip your toothbrush into a sea salt mixture. Instead of using toothpaste, dip your toothbrush into a sea salt mixture for 3 to 5 minutes, made by dissolving 1/2 teaspoon of salt in 1 fluid ounce of water, and brush your teeth with it. The salt temporarily increases the pH balance of your mouth, turning it into an alkaline environment in which germs and bacteria cannot survive. You may feel that your gums hurt for a little while, and this is absolutely normal because the salt is hygroscopic, meaning it attracts water. Salt can also be abrasive, so try using this method no more than once a week. A salt water mouth rinse after meals can also help keep your mouth and throat clean while soothing and healing mouth sores. 2. Try oil pulling. Oil pulling is an Ayurvedic remedy in which you swish oil in your mouth to remove harmful germs and bacteria from your mouth. Vegetable oil contains lipids that absorb toxins and pull them out of saliva, as well as stopping cavity-inducing bacteria from sticking to the walls of your teeth. Take a spoonful of oil and swish it in your mouth for 1 minute to gain the benefits. If you can, try to swish the oil longer for 15 to 20 minutes. To make sure the oil absorbs and detoxifies as much bacteria as possible, aim to do this with an empty stomach. Spit out the oil and rinse out your mouth well, preferably with lukewarm water. Buy organic, cold-pressed oil. Sesame oil and olive oil can work. Coconut oil is the most popular because of its taste as well as its richness in natural antioxidants and vitamins, such as vitamin E. 3. Use a strawberry paste. The malic acid in strawberries is a natural emulsifier that helps remove surface stains and plaque. To make your own whitening paste, simply mash 2 to 3 strawberries in a cup and add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Clean your teeth with this paste a few times per week. Since the malic and citric acid in strawberries can erode enamel, use this remedy in conjunction with a fluoride toothpaste. 4. Make a baking soda paste. Baking soda help whiten teeth and promote overall oral health. Take a teaspoon of baking soda and mix it in 2 teaspoons of water to make a paste. Brush your teeth with this paste a few times per week. Baking soda can also be used as a mouth rinse after meals by dissolving 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a cup of water and swishing it in your mouth for 2 to 3 minutes. This creates an alkaline environment in your mouth, which prevents the action of bacteria and neutralizes any dangerous acids. 5. Try apple cider vinegar to remove surface stains. Apple cider vinegar is a multi-purpose household product that also has natural teeth whitening properties. Although results may not be instant, using apple cider vinegar in conjunction with baking soda can help remove surface stains and whiten your teeth. To make your own teeth whitening paste, mix 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar with 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, which can be used a few times per week. You can also simply use apple cider vinegar as a mouthwash along with your daily oral care routine. 6. Fight plaque with coconut oil and mint leaves. Coconut oil is a natural emulsifier which helps clean your teeth, reduce stains and fight off plaque and cavity-causing bacteria. Mix a small amount of mashed peppermint or spearmint leaves, approximately 1 to 2 grams, with 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil to use as a whitening paste or mouthwash. The peppermint leaves help keep your breath fresh throughout the day. Since coconut oil is gentle and non-abrasive, it can be used daily. It is also safe for people with sensitive teeth and gums. 7. Give hydrogen peroxide a try. Many commercial mouthwashes and toothpastes have a 1.5% concentration of hydrogen peroxide, a powerful bleaching agent with a chemical composition that is incredibly close to water. This can help whiten your teeth. Hydrogen peroxide also helps kill bacteria, wash away debris, and is especially useful to prevent gingivitis. As some side effects can occur with prolonged use, ask your dentist about proper usage instructions for your individual needs. 8. Chew a piece of gum. Studies show that chewing sugar-free gum that contains xylitol for 20 minutes a day following meals can help prevent tooth decay. Chewing gum increases saliva production, which in turn washes away food debris, neutralizes acids produced by bacteria, strengthens tooth enamel, and provides disease-fighting substances throughout the mouth. Sugary gum also promotes saliva production but can increase plaque bacteria, so this type of gum should not be used. Don't let chewing gum replace brushing and flossing, as these are the most important steps of your oral care routine. Check out the link description below.